Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a door handle. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. A trim removal tool is also very helpful to prevent damage to your interior. Of course, have your new door handle ready. Having a clean cloth and some grease on hand will also make the job smoother. These simple items will ensure you are well prepared for the task ahead. Now let's get that old handle out. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratches, then unscrew any visible fasteners. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for your power windows or locks. Next, you'll see the rods connecting the handle to the latch. Detach their clips. Finally, use your 10mm socket to unbolt the old handle from the door frame, and it should come right out. With the old handle removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Carefully place your new door handle into the opening, aligning it perfectly. Use your 10mm socket to securely tighten the mounting bolts, ensuring the handle is firm. Reconnect the door rods to the new handle's mechanism, making sure the clips snap into place. A little bit of grease on the moving parts will help ensure a smooth, effortless operation for years to come. This step is crucial for proper function. Before we finish up, it's vital to test your new handle. Open and close the door several times, both from the inside and outside, to confirm it latches and unlatches perfectly. Once you're satisfied with its operation, reconnect all electrical connectors to your interior door panel. Finally, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. Take your time to ensure everything is snug and aligned. You've successfully replaced your door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.